Hi everyone, I'm Ming Ju, matrix number 242285506 from tutorial SE2. Today I'll be sharing one method of group decision making, which is brainstorming. Brainstorming is when a group gathers and every member share their ideas freely to solve a problem. There's no judging or rejecting of any ideas. The main goals of brainstorming is to spark creativity and teamwork. There can be a facilitator to facilitate the whole discussion just to ensure that the members do not digress. Hey team, now we need a new drink for autumn. Any ideas? How about using pumpkin flavor? It's seasonal and cozy. Good idea. Let's add some spice like cinnamon or nutmeg. Perfect! Pumpkin spice latte. Let's make it happen. Ta-da! That's how brainstorming works. Letting everyone to share their ideas freely instead of just one person deciding. As a result, team can come up with a special and creative solutions. As the example shows, Starbucks actually used this method to create their famous pumpkin spice latte. That's all from me. Thank you.